Hello and welcome to this video on how to be successful in your job. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to take it to the next level, these tips will help you succeed in any job. Tip number 1. Be proactive. Take initiative and go above and beyond what's expected of you. If you see a problem, come up with a solution. If you have an idea, speak up and share it. This not only helps you stand out to your superiors, but it also shows that you're committed to your job and willing to take on more responsibilities. Tip number 2. Develop your skills. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technology in your industry. Attend conferences, workshops, and training sessions. Take on new projects that will challenge you and help you grow. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become to your employer. Tip number 3. Communicate effectively. Clear communication is key to success in any job. Make sure you understand your tasks and responsibilities, and ask questions if you're unsure. Keep your boss and colleagues informed of your progress, and be willing to listen to their feedback. Remember to always be respectful and professional in your communication. Tip number 4. Build relationships. Networking is important in any industry, and building strong relationships with your colleagues and superiors can open up opportunities for you. Attend company events, join professional organizations, and connect with people on LinkedIn. You never know who might be able to help you in your career. Tip number 5. Be positive and enthusiastic. A positive attitude goes a long way in the workplace. Show enthusiasm for your job, even when things get tough. Celebrate successes, no matter how small, and focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. In summary, being successful in your job requires proactivity, skill development, effective communication, relationship building, and a positive attitude. Remember to take these tips to heart and apply them in your daily work. Thank you for watching and good luck in your career.